You are looking at 1999 Chevy Prizm with front damage. Tires of this car are like new. I would say at least 90% tread left. And the damage is not just slight. It needs, like it's a little bit pushed inside, so just to know. Let's look inside. Nice and clean. And for who does not know, Chevy Prizm is basically exactly the same like Toyota Corolla. Right now this car has 117,909 miles. As you can see, there are no any warning lights on. Radio CD works. And if you would like more information about this or any other vehicle we have, please visit www.rebuiltcars.com.